What steps should somebody expect during the process of going to take out a loan? And how would somebody know if something's a little fishy?
hmm Sure. So anytime that somebody tells you something, they don't give it to you in writing. Definitely that's your cue to kind of question it. Anything that I'm going to tell a client, any type of rate that I'm going to be able to offer them, you're going to get all that in writing. You're going to get a closing cost worksheet where you're going to get an idea of what closing costs to expect. I break them down line by line by line for you. I'm super transparent on that. I never want any surprises at the end of a loan where something unexpected hits us from left field. I mean, this is the biggest decision that your clients are going to, or our clients are going to make over the course of their life. I mean, they need to know the facts. They need to know what it's actually going to cost them. They need to know what to expect on there. Anytime somebody comes to me and says, hey, somebody offered me this, great, show it to me in writing. If they didn't give it to you in writing, I don't believe it. You want to go through it, go through it, but get it in writing.
So if I come to your office to take out a loan, so what's the first thing I'm gonna do? I'm gonna fill out an application?
First thing you're going to do is just have a quick conversation with me, right? Let's make sure that we're on the same page. Let's see what your actual goal is. I'll take some information from you. And again, we're going to run your credit. We're going to take a look at your income. We're going to take a look at your assets. And we just need to make sure that this is something that's very viable for you.
And where do we go from there?
From there, I'm going to do my magic. We're going to find a good product for you. The good thing about me being a mortgage broker is that I'm not just limited to working with one bank or one financial institution. We have dozens and dozens of different lenders that we could work with. We have access to tons of different programs where we could find not necessarily the best thing that one bank offers, but the best thing on the market for you.
And how long should somebody expect this process to take?
Well, the process from start to finish usually takes anywhere from 45 to 60 days in New York.
Okay.
For me to tell you, hey, yes, you do qualify, usually takes about a day or so.
So what's the rest of it?
Well, the rest of it is actually getting the bank or convincing the bank to give you money.
Fucking banks. You believe these people holding back money
So
from the rest
you'd
of
be
us?
surprised if you're trying to get $500,000 from the bank, plus or minus, they're gonna ask a couple.
I wouldn't be surprised. They're definitely gonna ask. People.
I think I think the most important thing is people need to understand the bank is not your friend. The bank is a business. So ultimately, the bank has one job, and that's to make money. When you work with a broker, somebody like myself, somebody like my partners in my office, our job is essentially to convince the bank to get you the funds that you need to purchase your home. We are your friends. We do work for you. We do not work for the bank. So we're just going to guide you through that process. We're going to do everything we can. And to be fair, I hate to say it, but we don't get paid unless you get your loan. So I promise you we're going to do everything we can to make sure that happens for you.